SpaceX Starship. This image shows the next prototype's giant size. I don't know if you know how big these things are, Will. These enormous starships. But if you scroll down just a little bit, it'll give you an idea. You see next to a person, there's a person in a yellow shirt standing next to the one on the right. That's a lot of steel right there. My goodness. Well, you know, Elon, he's trying to get up there to space. Any part of space that'll take him. Maybe it's not Mars yet, but maybe it's the moon, something like that. This image demonstrates the impressive size of these early models, even as they lack the features expected in the final design. The final ship is expected to measure 50 meters or 160 feet with a diameter of 30 feet. However, you got to put a booster on there. How about a super heavy booster to get up out of here, get up off Earth? That is going to add a further 230 feet. So your actual finished thing is 400 feet tall.
Whoa.
Can you envision that? Standing in the presence of a 400-foot beast that lifts off, that just zooms into outer space.
Pretty impressive.
You're happy about that? Well,
oh, yeah.
The other cool thing, or at least a thing that I noticed in here, which is pointed me towards the Cybertruck, is the fact they changed the alloy, the material, from 301 to 304L for one of its test tanks. And Musk explained that the company was rapidly changing alloy constituents and forming methods. And it got me thinking just about the integration across the multiple Elon Musk brands, and how we were just talking about the steel on the Cybertruck yesterday. And here we are seeing some super high level alloy experimentation and swapping from one material to the next. And you wonder what kind of findings that could take place in this really high stakes space travel experiment in the form of SpaceX, how those technologies or those findings could work their way into consumer products. It's kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
It's a cool thing to think about.
Yeah. I mean, it has to be super durable, right? To be in space and then try to
it's got to deal with super high heat as well, right?
Yeah.
And the shields will be needed. The Starship is expected to enter the atmosphere at speeds of around 16,777 miles per hour. So I don't think I can drive my Cybertruck that fast, but I don't think I'm getting the same alloy either. What are they calling the steel on the Cybertruck? It's also got a fancy name. 300 series stainless steel. Didn't they say exactly what it was in the previous story from yesterday? I don't know. They said cold rolled, which I liked. But
yeah.
Anyway, you learn with SpaceX. You throw it into Tesla. You mix it all around. And what do you get?
Something very cool.
You get a Happy Willy do.
Yeah.